Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to make a short video about my multi-bootloader burner. You might know this little guy. That's also bootloader burner that works with the Atmega 328. And I had a customer ask me if I have another version that supports the 32U4. And I said, of course I do. And this is it. It of course supports still the 328, the 32U4 and the 644 and the 1284p, which I used many times in my projects where the 328 was just too small on storage space. And so I made this board. It has USB Type-C connector, it has a USB serial chip. This one did not, it's just a standalone bootloader burner. This one uses the Arduino IDE, just the serial monitor. You could use PuTTY or some other serial monitor. You connect to it, and here I had connected, and now I don't have a 32U4 at the moment, so I am using 1284, if I can pick it up here. So here's the chip, 1284. I don't know if it's gonna be able to read it. I think yes. So all you do is put it in here. It cannot go anywhere. It's supported by the top layer of the PCB. You slightly press on it, and then here it says Type-C when ready to continue with another chip. And let's do that. Are we in there? I Type-C on my keyboard, press enter, and this one actually has a bootloader already on there, but we can quit, verify, or G to continue to burn the bootloader again. And that's it, done, if you can read it. So this is how easy it is to burn bootloader. You can also verify chips. All codes that Nick Gammon, thank you Nick Gammon, wrote for the Atmega to read and write and whatnot for the Atmega chips do work on this little guy. And this is it. I will ship this out today to my customer. Thank you very much. And I also want to take this opportunity again to show you my EnviNode. It's on Kickstarter, but I need more pledges to be successful, otherwise it won't fund. So please do check it out. I have many videos about it already. I will post a link in the comments that you can click, and also my Kickstarter link if you want to check it out. So please support me. I have only 10 days left, and it's not going well. So I thought much more of Kickstarter. I thought they have like lists, they have newsletters, and they only brought me 3 pledges. 3. Kickstarter did. The rest I did with my YouTube videos and my referrals and my own email list from my previous customers. So please do help me out with this. It's a great product. It can do so much, but I'm kind of not getting the word out. So anyway, thanks for watching and take care everybody.